Diana's got the apron on, let's get this party lit. She's got the spices, working hard, she's never gonna quit.
So today, guys, I'm going to make some curry oxtail. Oxtail looking so nice and fresh. I'm going to use some vinegar to wash it. That's my vinegar, guys. I'm using a tablespoon and a half curry. I'm using some jerk season, just a little pinch of jerk season. You don't have to put it in your curry oxtail. I'm using a pinch of salt. I'm using a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, and half a tablespoon of pepper seed. I'm using some paprika, guys. This is my carrot, my scallion, my onion, thyme, pepper, and ginger. And we call it sweet pepper in my country, but it's bell pepper. So now I'm gonna wash my oxtail and pour my vinegar in. So as I said before, you can wash your oxtail with whether some vinegar or you can use some lemon juice to wash it. It's up to you, okay?
Dyana's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, that's where magic takes its form. In the kitchen, flavors dance and swirl around. In the kitchen, it's the best place to be found. From dawn till dusk, she's mixing, she's tossing and she's stirring. With a touch that feels like love.
Alright guys, so this is my oxtail seasoned up. I'm gonna put it down, guys, for about 20 or 30 minutes until I'm ready to cook it, and then come right back to you, okay? Guys, those seasoned, I'm gonna put in those fresh seasoned last. I think I'm going to put the ginger. I want the ginger to cook with it. So I'm going to cut up the ginger and put the ginger with it.
From dawn till dusk, she's mixing, she's tossing and she's stirring. Smells so good, you'll taste it in your dreams and keep recurring. She's a culinary goddess with a touch that feels like love.
So guys, you want to make sure the curry fry out properly, okay? So I'm going to fry it out for about 10 to 15 minutes and then pour some water over it so it can cook.
With every dish she makes, you see the sparkle in her eyes. In the kitchen, Dyana's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, that's where magic takes its form. In the kitchen, flavors.
So now, guys, I'm gonna pour some water and leave the curry oxtail to cook. All right, because oxtail take a while, so I'm gonna leave it to cook for about 5 to 5 minutes. Okay, so you want to keep on check on it. Okay, and if you need water, just keep on pour water until it gets soft and tender. Okay.
The sparkle in her eyes. In the kitchen, Dyana's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, that's where magic takes its form. In the kitchen, flavors dance and swirl around. In the kitchen.
guys, I'm gonna put in my ginger. Because I want the ginger to cook with it. So I'm gonna put some ginger. Because I want the ginger to cook with my curry oxtail. So this is some fresh ginger. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it to cook.
She's got the spices, working hard, she's never gonna quit. Pots bubbling like a cauldron, the aroma fills the room.
So guys, it's been cooked for about 35 minutes now. Been cooking for about 35 minutes. Still want to cook. It's not really tender. Still want to cook, guys. So I think I'm going to give it another 35 minutes. Alright, so now guys, we can put my seasoning in for the oxtail tender. So now I can put my seasoning in. Okay, so I'm going to put my seasoning in now, guys. So guys, when you're cooking your oxtail and the oxtail is not soft and tender, you want to keep on pouring water until it gets nice and tender. Okay? So now I'm going to pour my seasoning in. And you don't want to cook your oxtail, guys. I want you to cook it tough and chewy. I don't like that. So this is my first season. I always wait till last to throw my fresh season in. So now I'm gonna put like some little raw dumpling in my curry oxtail. Because my little one, they like the raw dumplings, so I'm gonna put it in there for them. You don't have to do that, but I'm just gonna put some little raw dumpling in for them. You're gonna make this cook again with the seasoning and everything, guys, for another 10 or 15 minutes, and then your oxtail is ready. If you want to put like some Irish or whatever you want to put in it, you can go ahead. Me gonna put some raw dumpling in it.
Pots bubbling like a cauldron, the aroma fills the room. She's cooking up a feast, I know we'll be eating soon. In the kitchen, Dyana's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, that's where magic takes its form. In the kitchen, flavors dance and swirl around. In the kitchen, it's the best place to be found.
My curry oxtail is finished, guys. Ready to eat, ready to enjoy. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.